Hello, and here we are at the Bird Eye. We haven't been back here for a long time, but this time was a different story. I spent the night here last night, and yeah, I'm just about to leave. So I thought I'd film it. This is 8:30 in the morning, so I thought I'd film it before I go. I've opened up all the side panels, you know, where you look out to view the nature in this beautiful construction, the hide. So yeah, basically slept down there on a nice fancy inflatable mattress, a sleeping bag and a pillow. Yeah, so there's different angles of this place. It's back to the front door there. Yeah, so we'll go right at this panel first. As you can see, that's Portbury Docks over there. There you go, right in on the docks there. And over that way it's towards South Bristol. There we go, got some better focus now. And of course I'll come out over these panels over there. This far right hand side one. You can see, yeah, there they are, look, you can see it. Severn Bridge over Wales there. Zoom in. There's the bridge. So you can't see that originally, but as soon as you go on 12 times zoom, there you are, look. Awesome. So yeah, that's the highlight, as seen before in my videos. Thanks for watching.